Now, the most common choreography anybody has seen with this type of move is Dance With Me by Paul Wilbur. Now, the choreography for this song is very simple. It's great for beginners. And it's a 3-count move, so it's just like this. It's very simple, and usually, go into the Mayan lift and all of that. Now, instead of like a regular sweeping Tcherkessia that looks like this, it's a step together, This one, with just the feet, looks like this. So it's right, together, and then, since everybody's going into the circle, the common law is you gotta go out the same way you came in. So then you step back with the left, together. And now with the arms, typically it makes a sweeping motion, kind of like this. So when you step forward, you're kind of scooping whatever it is and bringing it to you, type of thing. And so you step together, and then when you back out, you kind of present down, kind of like this, palms up, and you just present out, and when you step back. So then it's present, left together, like that. So that's what a double sweeping Tcherkessia looks like. So I'm going to do it this way so you can do it with me. So we're going to go forward with the step together with the right, and then back out with the left. Okay, we're going to go forward with the right, so step forward together twice, and then step back together left twice. And remember, when you go forward, you're sweeping up and towards you, and when you're going back out of the circle, you're presenting out with the palms up. So ready, we're going to do this in right now. So right, together, then left, together, left, do it again, sweep up, bump, and then back with the left, present, do it again, right, together, left, together, go back in one more time, right, together, and then left, together, left. So that is the tutorial for the double sweep Tcherkessia. Thank you for watching this Tcherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Tcherkessia that I have not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Tcherkessia that I did not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Tcherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.